we begin by drawing a oval shape. So after drawing the oval shape, we'll divide it into two halves, not exact two halves. Then we'll add the mouth with a curve and a small circle to mark its nose. Then the eye with a big circle. Then we'll add two ears, one, two. Then we'll put another oval shape. This time it's more like an oblong. Then we'll connect the neck. After this, we'll add the tail, and finally we'll add the limbs. Now once we finish with this, we'll start coloring. I'll be putting yellow color in the front. Then I'll be using brown color. And that's how you draw.